my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't.
Hi family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the things that I do every day to keep a clean and organized home.
I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking.
Have a designated place for everything. For everything that you have in your home, ensure that it has a place where you can keep it. If it doesn't have a place, please consider donating. When you get home in the evening, take 5 minutes to put everything back.
For a change when it's hot, I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
Have a bookshelf where you keep your books after you read. This will ensure that books are not flying all over your home. And the next time you want to read, you'll just go to a specific point, pick a book, read, and after you're done, you return it back.
It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward.
Have a shoe rack. Have a place where you keep your shoes immediately after washing. This will ensure that your home becomes organized all the time and shoes are kept in one place.
Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right.
Organize your curtains every day. When you wake up in the morning, ensure that you arrange your curtain while opening in a very organized manner. This will make your space and your home look very organized. My people, when you live in an organized, tidy, and clutter free space, it's beneficial to your mental well being. You feel less overwhelmed, you think more clearly, and you become more productive. Keep kitchen counters clutter free. Immediately you finish working on the kitchen counters, ensure that you wipe it clean and return everything back to its place.
Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward.
Label items around your home and keep it in specific places. This will make it easy for you if you want to use a specific item. For example, if you have spices and you label them in containers, it will be easy for you to pick the correct spice that you want without confusing. It will also be easy for you to be able to locate a specific item without causing a lot of mess. Create a spot for things where you use them. If you want an organized space around your home, please ensure that you put everything that you need in the place that you're going to use it. For example, in your washing area, ensure you have all the detergents that you will need within the washing area. If it's the kitchen, ensure that all the things that you need while cooking in the kitchen are already in the kitchen. It will reduce the movements that you'll have to make. Another important habit for you to inculcate is clean as you go. Immediately you finish doing something around your home, ensure that you clean up that area before you do something else. For example, you're in the kitchen and you're chopping something on the counters, ensure that you clean the surface, clean the utensils that you are using, wipe them and put them away. Clean and organize stuff on a regular basis. We are humans and at times things get disorganized, but we have to keep tidying up. We don't need to give up because when we give up, our space will definitely become disorganized. Wipe out any spills immediately. This will keep your home tidy and organized at the same time. This is not only on your counters but also on the floors and all the areas around your home. Complete the circle. When you wash clothes, for example, wash them, hang them on the lines, fold them, iron them, and put them away. This reduces clutter around your home, making your home organized eventually. Have a designated place to store toys. Many times when kids play, they leave toys scattered all over the floors. And if you don't have a place to store the toys, you will find out that your home will be disorganized all the time. So immediately they are done playing, collect the toys and keep them in an enclosed area away from your floors. Keep your hands clean all the time. After cleaning your house, organizing and putting everything in place, please remember to keep your hands clean. This will make sure that you don't spread germs from one area to another. Thank you for joining me. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want